Hey, welcome. Hey, welcome. Hey, welcome. And finally, we are going to be able to save the category and the description. Okay. To do this, back to the provider folder, then the product underscore provider dot file, and Control and B to make this wide. And the type of data we are expecting from the category is a test. That is, the value is going to be a test. So over here, we can go ahead, add a train comma and string. Currently, we are not assigning any value to this category. So it's going to be nor and the category. Okay, great. And now we need another check. For the sake of mastering, I love writing from scratch. We can check category is not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, it means it was filled in. If it is not equal to null, then product data to update this data to the value and category is equal to category. And sorry, okay, great. This control needs to save, and now we have to assign the actual value to this category. To the general screen, and Ctrl B, scroll down to where we have that category. Sorry, what? Okay, where we have that category, and over here we have within the drop down drop button form field, we have this unchanged, and currently it has this value. And remember, the value of the unchanged is referring to the actual value. In case of this category, it will be referring to the selected category. That is, if we select egg, the value is referring to this egg, and if we choose snacks, the value is referring to the snacks. Okay, so over here we can then set state. The reason we are setting state is because we want to refresh the UI whenever we choose something else. You can see we might choose this and later change our mind to change something like to choose this. So we want to refresh immediately. So this is going to be underscore product provider. Then what product, sorry, not product data. We do not want to print the value. We want to store it. So get from data category and the value. And this is it. And lastly, we have to do same for the description and the comma. The value we're expecting is a test, so we can say description. And currently it has no value, so it can be null. And if description is not equal to null, then we want to update the product data variable. Key is description, and the value, that is the actual value, is going to be whatsoever the user would type. And back to general screen, within the test form field, as you know, it has the unchanged, and within the parentheses of the unchanged, it has the value, the actual value of the user. Now we can then say underscore per dot provider dot get data, and the description is going to be the value. Okay, and now let's try to print this out as well. To the upload screen, And now we can easily just copy and paste. This is gonna say category, and this is gonna say description. Okay, Control S to save. Control. Okay, open our terminal, and let's do this. The product I'm uploading is gonna be Goosey over size. Price is gonna be $10, very affordable, and I have just one of this product, so you better get it now. And I'm gonna pick egg, not really hair categories. You can just go ahead and upload more category. And I'm gonna say this this is Goosey, Gushy. I'm just gonna type something gibberish since it's just basically for test. And click on save and see if we have everything. Okay, we got it. Uh, take this a bit. We got it. The product price is sorry. The product name is Goosey Oversize, and the price is $10. The quantity is one. The category is egg, and the description is this. Seems good. And now we can easily call Firestore to upload it. You can see it working as we expect. And hopefully you have no issues, but if you do, please note I'm fully available to support you. So do well to let me know. Okay, see you in the next lecture.